If you are a local business owner or freelancer and you are struggling to get consistent leads, listen up. Your Google business profile could be the number one free tool you are not fully using. Hey there, I am Altaf Rahman, a web and marketing expert with over 17 years of experience helping businesses get real clients. In this video, I am going to show you step by step how to set up and improve your profile so your business shows up first when people nearby search for what you offer. By the end, you'll know how to use Google to get more clients without spending any money on ads. Part 1. What is Google Business Profile? It's a free tool from Google that lets you list your business on Google Search and Google Maps. So when someone types in something like dentist near me or best coffee shop in your city, your profile can show up right there in the results with your name, reviews, photos, website link, directions, everything. Part 2. Setting it up all right. Now let's set it up. Step 1. Go to google.com/business. Then click on the Get Started button. Step 2. Type in your business name. So if your business is called White Dental, just type in White Dental and click Continue. Step 3. Choose your business type. So if you are a dentist, select the service business type and click the Next button. Step 4. Choose your business category. This tells Google what type of service you offer. So if you are a dentist, just start typing dentist and select it from the drop-down. Step 5. Google will ask you, where do you serve your customers? This is optional, but if you deliver services to your clients' homes or offices, like if you're a plumber, a mobile beautician, or even a freelance photographer, it's really helpful to add the areas you cover. Simply start typing in city names such as Brooklyn, Manhattan, Queens, and they will appear on your public page, allowing local customers know you operate in their area. Step 6. Add your contact info. Type your phone number and website URL. If you don't have a website, no worries. You can skip it. Step 7. Put your business on the map. By finishing this setup, you are officially putting your business on Google, so customers can discover you across search and maps all in one place. Step 8. Google will ask you for your business address. This is important if customers visit your location, like a shop, salon, or office. Just give all the details perfectly. Step 9. Now it's time to add your business hours. Just click the days you are open and type the opening and closing times. If you are open 24 hours or only on weekends, you can set that too. Make sure your hours are accurate so customers know when to reach you. Step 10. Write your business description. This tells Google and your customers what your clinic offers, where you're located, and why they should choose you. So keep it simple, clear, and include what you do and who you help. Step 11. Add photos of your business. Here I'm uploading a photo of the doctors. Now the waiting area, and here's one of the dental chair setups. If you don't have good photos right now, you can skip it and add them later, but I recommend adding at least 3 to start. Now you might see a message that says, claim your $500 advertising credit. This is an optional offer from Google. It means if you start running ads with Google Ads, they'll give you up to $500 in free ad credit after you spend a certain amount. It's a great way to promote your business, especially if you're just getting started and want more local visibility. You can read the terms and conditions if you're interested. If you don't want to use ads right now, no problem. Just skip it for later. Once verified, your listing goes live. That's it. You now have a Google business profile. Part 3. How to optimize your profile to rank higher. But here's the thing, just having your Google business profile isn't enough. You need to make sure it's optimized so it can show up higher in search results. The first thing you should do is fill out every part of your profile. The more information you add, the better it looks to Google. Next, upload some good quality photos. People love pictures, and Google loves it when you add them. Now, make sure to use the right keywords in your business description. For example, if you are a photographer in New York, say that in your profile. You should also ask your happy customers to leave reviews and always reply to them. Google likes it when you engage with your customers. It's also a good idea to post updates on your profile. Things like promotions, new services, or events. This helps keep your profile fresh and active. And lastly, make sure your business name, phone number, and address match exactly on your website and any other online profiles you have. Do all of this, and you'll start seeing your business appear more often in local searches. And that's how you set up and optimize your Google business profile to get found, get leads, and get more clients, all with zero ad spend. If you take action on what I just showed you, you won't just appear on Google, you'll become the go-to option in your local area. If this helped, Don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more practical ways to grow your business, and drop a comment if you have any questions. I respond to everyone. Want me to create a video on how to post content that converts viewers into customers on your Google business profile? Just comment below or DM me. And if there's enough interest, I'll make that video next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.